Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Tricknology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to fix low microphone volume on your Windows 11 PC or laptops. So you just need to follow me. So firstly you just need to right click on your start button. So right click on it, click on settings. After open settings window, you just need to click on privacy and security from your left side. On your right side you will get an option called microphone. So click on that and make sure that microphone is enabled over here, and also make sure that the microphone is enabled for your particular apps which is you are using on your computer. Okay, if it is okay, then just go to system now and click on sound over here. Now here you will get input. Make sure that your proper audio device is selected over here. If it is selected, then click on this button over here. Now you just need to expand this input volume. Okay, and also you can check from here also volume. You will get a volume option, so make sure that it is 100% over here. After that you just need to check your volume is increased or not. If it is not, still if you're facing same issue, then go to system once again on your left side, and on your right side you will get an option called troubleshoot. So click on troubleshoot. Now click on other troubleshooter, and here you will get an option called audio. Click on run button beside of audio, and after that it will fix your problem. So I hope this quick tutorial really helpful for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any queries or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.